How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Julia.
Where are you from?
I am from New Jersey.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a teacher.
How was your day?
It was good, thanks. How about yours?
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy watching TV and playing cricket.
Have you traveled recently?
Yes, I went to Canada last month.
What's your favorite book/movie?
My favorite book is by George Eliot, and my favorite movie is The Creator.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy trying out new recipes in the kitchen.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak French and a bit of German.
What's your dream vacation destination?
I've always wanted to visit France.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
On weekends, I like to read books, play cricket, and sometimes painting.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I went to a concert by accident last year.
What's the best advice you've ever received?
The best advice I've received is to help others.
What's something you're passionate about?
I'm really passionate about helping people learn new things.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I love Mexican cuisine because of the flavors and variety of dishes.
How do you stay motivated when facing challenges?
I stay motivated by family, which helps me overcome obstacles.
Do you have any upcoming plans or goals?
Yes, I'm planning to learn new language in the near future.
How do you like to relax and unwind?
I enjoy listening to pop music because it helps me distress.
These questions and answers cover a range of topics and can be used for practice and conversations. Remember to try and use these in real-life situations to reinforce your English speaking skills.